So we have to tear the ceiling out of the bathroom and the mudroom. So I just got some like painter's cloth, plastic drop cloth, and tape, and I'm gonna like tape around the ceiling so that hopefully all the dust and everything like falls into the tarp and we can just wrap it up because it's gonna be a big mess.
Alright guys, it's now 2 weeks after the build and Dylan and I have been working on the house all week, putting in windows. I didn't film too much of it because it's been a lot. We're really so exhausted just from life and everything going on. I'm really excited though. It's really coming together and I'm just so excited. The windows are amazing. We put in all the windows ourselves. Our dad showed us one before he left and then we did the rest this week. We put in a bunch of the blocking that we hadn't put in when we were supposed to, which has been really tricky. And then we put on joist hangers this week. And now I just bought electrical boxes yesterday and wire to start running electrical. So the plan is to get the bedrooms done as soon as possible. So I'd love to get those done first. That way, once our bedrooms are done, and by done, I mean electric, insulation, drywall, that's what we have left in the bedrooms. And then once those are done, then we could move out our closet from the bathroom, move out a lot of the big items in the cabin, like our dresser and things, move those into the bedroom so that we can redo the bathroom. Give you guys a little tour of what we got going on. Okay, so this is the old outside of the house here, the window, the door, the mudroom. So when you come out of here, you walk out into the hallway. So there's a little window here at the end of the hallway. When you go left, the bedroom to the kids' room will be here. You walk in here. To the left along here will be a wall of closets. And then this is their room. So this is 12 by 14. So it's not a huge room, but it's way bigger than anything we got, and I am obsessed. So that's this room. And then we'll come out here, back into the hallway. Obviously, we have to redo the entire bathroom, so I'll get to that. But then there'll be another door here. This will be our bedroom. We still have 2 more windows to put in there. But it'll be so nice. So that'll be our bedroom. Again, our closet will be along this wall also. And then when you walk out from the hallway, this will all be the kitchen. So it'll be stove, fridge, countertop. And then on this side here, this will be where the sink will go because we want to keep the water on the inside of the house so that it doesn't freeze. So we'll have countertop and sink over here. And then right over here will be the dining room table. And we're going to put a big sliding glass door right there. And eventually we'll bring the deck around so you can walk out onto the deck. And I think I'm also going to put a little side door here so that we're able to, we left this open so we can get in and out, but you'll be able to drive up right next to the house and walk in there for groceries and things like that. So that is what we got going on. The ceilings back here are 8 feet and then they go up to 10 feet. So you can still see we have a couple more pieces of blocking to put in. We just should have done it when we were doing the roof, but it just got left behind because we were in a big rush there at the end. It was a really long week. My dad was here a full week, which is the longest we've ever done. A full week of working every day, all day long. It was a lot, and so everyone was done by the end. We really want to get the bedrooms done so that we can move the stuff out of the mudroom bathroom, because that's what we need to do next. We basically have to redo everything in the bathroom. We have to reroute the propane, reroute the dryer vents, reroute the air vents, and all the plumbing. We have no lights or anything in here right now, and it's a complete mess disaster. So we just really need to get this taken care of. Plan is to take out this wall. We already took out this wall. The ceilings will be so high, it will be so nice. The closet will be out of there, and the fridge will obviously be in the kitchen, and the food will be in the kitchen. We're gonna put the washer and dryer on that wall and the hot water tank on that wall, and then all of this, it will all be one big bathroom. Our bathroom's a mess, just don't look at it. But so basically it'll be one big room. That's our, bathroom, but also have the washer and dryer, the hot water heater, the solar in it. And then we'll have enough room to put a shower, which is so exciting. So we'll have a stand-up shower and a bathtub, and we'll get a new vanity and everything. And I'm gonna reroute redo the plumbing so that all of the gray water from the bathtub and from the washer and dryer will be rerouted to just like my flower bed out front, so that all that doesn't go into our sewage tank. But that will be a big project in itself, and I think my parents are coming back like in a week, which is crazy. So I don't know what my dad's plan is on what to get done. There's lots of odds and ends, but I'd really like to get the bathroom taken care of because it's hard to live in the chaos. So that is the final update for this video. I just got all of like our little electrical boxes. I'm gonna be putting those up, running the wire. We have to put the spray foam around the windows, and just day by day, step by step, but we are getting there. It's so exciting. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe to this video, let me know what you want to see, and we'll be back next time.